Hello everyone! Today we're gonna be going to Fa Peng Teng, to Tai Yam Teng, Tai Shan, which is 291 meters high, and Tiger's Head with an altitude of 466 meters. Lastly, we also went to the Wong Chuk Lang Hill. Good morning, everyone. It is now 8:48 a.m. and I have arrived at Lanta Link Bus Interchange, and we were supposed to meet at 9 a.m. and I am 20 minutes early. So I'm gonna finish my breakfast and I'm also gonna edit for a bit. I'm also gonna cross the road here. And we are actually going to the toilet. And I actually didn't know there was a toilet here until my friend told me. So that's why I thought I should inform you guys. And from the bus stop, we're gonna cross back over the road. And then after I told my mates that we can go first, we actually have to go back to the zebra crossing. And then there are some stairs here. And we'll keep going up. Fa Peng Teng is 274 meters. And we are now on 73 meters. And that's where we came from. Basically, I realized my hiking mates were not following me, so I asked my boyfriend to go back down to see where they were once I kept going up. And yeah, it is literally one straight staircase. There's some crossways on the left, but remember to keep going up. And when you get to the top of the stairs, you will see a transmitter, and you have to turn left and into this hilly room. Woohoo! I got my $3 here, and we are at Fa Peng Teng, and I'm gonna fly my drone here as well. Fa Peng Teng is 273 meters and it is located in the northeast of Lantau Island and east of Tai Yam Teng. And on the east slope of the top of the face stands a huge stone shaped like a base, which is why this hill is called Base Hill. If you want to know how to get to the base stone, then I'll leave a link in the description box down below. OMG, my drone is shaking so much. So we left the Trigonometrical station and we started heading down to the next hill, which is Tai Yam Teng, and we have to keep walking forward. What would I do if I never came to this? Woohoo! We have arrived at Tai Yam Teng. I'm gonna fly my drone. Not long later, we have arrived at Tai Yam Teng, and Tai Yam Teng is generally flat, but the original surveying column, as you just saw in the drone clip, is actually slightly lower to the north of the top of the mountain. But on the maps it says we have arrived. This is the Disneyland pool here, and I actually saw the street first one, and we're now gonna keep going. Although this road looks bush-bashy, but in reality, it is actually really clear. And that day's weather was actually really nice for hiking because it was cloudy and it was really cool at the same time. But my boyfriend actually got a bit sick after this hike because it was a little too cold for him. But I was okay because, as you can see, I wore a pink coat which was quite thick. So remember to wear enough clothes if you are hiking in the winter. By the way, that day we actually hiked with a friend called Aileen, and she actually brought like 10 friends with her because we were walking too slowly. In the end, there were actually only like 7 of us left, so yeah. But my friend Aileen told me when she hiked this route before, these stairs were not built. So thank you for the people who built these stairs and make it easier for us to hike this route. Although actually I know some hikers don't like the fact that these stairs are built by human because they want to keep these roads as natural as it is. And maybe you can let me know which type of person you are down in the comment section below. And as you can see, there are some crossways here. We weren't supposed to turn left there, so we actually had to keep going down these stairs and turn right over here. The hill opposite is Tai Shan, and we're actually gonna go up there. But because I already filmed it in another vlog before, I'm not gonna waste my Insta360 storage to film it again. So I'm just gonna film until we get down to the car road. So if you wanna know how to get up there, then be sure to check out my other vlog. So I've actually filmed this road before. If you keep walking along this green railway, then you will eventually get to Sunny Bay Station. So if you want to see how to get to Tai Shan, then remember to watch my vlog down below. And once I'm flying my drone at Tiger Head, I'll be telling you why Tiger Head is called Tiger Head. Can you see that shape in front of you just now? If you go back a second, play back, you can actually see that it kind of looks like the tiger's head. And it is formed because of the rocks on the top of the mountain. And that's also why this hill is called Tiger's Head. So I hope you learned something new today. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Is this Wong Chuk Lang Shan? I wanted to go up to Wong Chuk Lang Shan, and on the maps it says we have to go up here. Wow! My friend said these trees are hooked, so we're not gonna go up. It's not possible. I'm gonna try and find my drone over there. So I was able to find out that there are actually no roads over to Wong Chuk Lang Hill at all, so I didn't go to that hill in the end. But whilst I'm doing research online, I also found out there's also actually another Wong Chuk Lang Hill in Psycho near Changshan. So I don't know, maybe one day I'll go there, but I have already been to Changshan before.